Hello everyone, I am Abid Hasan Siam. In this video, I am sharing with you Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking. So let's start this video. In the previous video, I am sharing with you full Google Ads conversion tracking. Google Ads enhanced conversion tracking setup. We need at first go to the tag section, then go to the new tag, go to the Google Ads, and we need to create Google Ads user provided data event. We need to create these type variables like email, phone number, first name, last name. We need to forward with Google on purchase trigger for this information for optimization our ads properly. So we need to create these types all variables, email, phone number, first name, last name. So let's go. We create a variable. So at first we go to the variable section, and I purchased a product in before for showing this all kind of customer information. So we can go to the new and go to the data layer variable. At first we put here like, so email is here, we put take care that and put here, then we put her name dlv email and just save it. Then we create also another variable, data layer variable, and we put the phone number, customer phone number, put here, and a name, put her name dlv data layer variable phone no, and just save it. And I create another variable, data layer variable, for the first name, customer first name, and just copy it and paste here, and put her name dlv first name, and just save it. And create another variable, the customer last name. I just copy here the customer last name and paste here, and put her name dlv last name, and just save it also. And create another variable, the customer zip, and put her name dlv zip code, and just save it. And we need to create another variable, customer address line dlv address, and we need to create a variable customer state. So copy it and put here the another variable, dlv street, and save it. And last two variable need city and country. So where is city, customer city, so we put here and put here name dlv city, and just save it. So we see here the customer country is here, and copy it and create here another data layer variable, dlv country, and save it. I think all variable created is done. Go to the text section and create the new tag, go to the Google tag, then go to the user provided data. We need to put here the customer ID, go to the Google account, go to the purchase goals, and just copy this customer conversion ID and put here, and we create select new variable, and we just select here the email. So where is email, email is here. The phone number, where is phone number, phone number is here. The first name, where is first name, first name is here. The last name I put here, the street, Where is street? Street is here. The city, where is city? City is here. The region, that means customer address, put here. The country, country is here. The postal, that means zip code, I put here. And just I name that user provided data and save it. So save it done. And when it will go to the forward on Google, like when trigger purchase, when as a people purchase that, then Google got this all information, like user all information. That's why I triggered the purchase and just save it, and just click a submit button. Hold on just a minute. And we need to go to the debug mode, then go to the preview section. We see here the debug mode is connected, so we need to purchase a product, add to cart, checkout, then fill up their all informations, card number on, and click to pay now button. See, our purchase is done. So the Google Ads user provided data, go to the purchase and go to the variable. So we see here there will be address Bangladesh, city is come, country is come, currency, email is come, first name, last name, phone number not come because when we fill up this form, here is not here phone number option. That's why this phone number is not come, street is not come. So we see here the all information when as a user purchase a product, all information forward on Google properly. And we see here the value, all information go to the Google properly. So that's it for today, everyone. If you need any question or need any help, just contact with me on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.